How to set up a branch in Tantoo. Congratulations! You've been invited to be a branch in Tantoo. Here's how to get you started. First, open your mailbox to find our invite. Click on our invite and the link in the email to activate your account. You will be redirected to tantoo.io where you can fill in all your details, including creating a branch code. This branch code will serve as your unique identifier in Tantoo and will be shared with your clients for them to make payment and other administrative tasks. Do remember to hit save once you're done. Here's to your first milestone. Your account has been activated. Now you can access all the tabs on Tantoo as well as view or edit your account details. If you need to edit your personal information, company details, and change your password, here's where you can do so. And that's how you set up and activate your branch account in Tantoo.